Hi, Mark, here, Monday, August the 25th. It is 8:20 a.m. Eastern. That's 12:20 GMT. US session now underway and going into the afternoon portion of the European session. And let's have a look how the US dollar is performing to start the new week. Friday, we had that big sell-off in the US dollar. Slight gap up to start the new week and showing a bit of a green candlestick as well. So dollar is trying to fight back. Long way to go. We've got support at 97.62. That's the level that sellers will be looking to test and break below, and resistance at 97.89, the level that buyers will be looking to test, break above, and recoup some of Friday's losses. Let's have a look how the majors are shaping up, starting with the Euro US. There you see, following Friday's sell-up of the dollar, Euro strengthened, big green candlestick, buying Euro, selling US. Today, a little bit of a gap lower to start, bit of a green candlestick that's selling euro, buying US dollar. That's US dollar attempting a fight back after Friday. We've got support at 116.84, and I've got resistance at 117.21. That's matching Friday's close. If I zoom in on the hourly, there you can see a slight sell-off to start the new week, trading just under that resistance area. Buyers looking to turn around and continue with buying euro, selling US dollar, and US dollar weakness. We'll be looking up here at resistance. Alternatively, sellers of euro, buyers of US, looking down at the 116.84 support area. Let's have a look at the pound. Similar pattern to the euro. Friday, dollar weakness. There's the pound, bullish engulfing candle, strong showing from the pound, and also gapped slightly lower to start, but right now sitting exactly where it opened. Slightly lower is support, sitting at 113.48. Resistance 134.82, and resistance 134.29. If I zoom in on the hourly, you can see sitting right in the middle of that range for now. Buyers looking up at this 135.29 resistance. Sellers looking to test break below the 134.82. US yen. Again, US dollar was sold off on Friday against the yen as well. You see that, although still sitting in a somewhat sideways range. Today I've got support at 147.06, resistance 147.52, sitting for now in the middle of that range. If I zoom in on the hourly, there you can see US dollar buyers trying to fight back, as we saw on the other two majors as well. Those buyers of US will be looking up at this 147.57 resistance. Sellers of US, buyers of yen, continuing what we saw on Friday, will be looking down at the 147 yen support area. US dollar Canadian. There you can see a continuation. At this point, now that the US session has just opened, we're seeing more selling US, buying Canadian, like we saw Friday. Testing the support right now at 138.18 is support, and I've got resistance up at 138.36 sitting there. If I zoom in on the hourly, there we can see testing the support area right now. That's sellers of US dollar, uh, buyers of Canadian, and looking to maintain and continue this break below the support area, looking down at $1.38. If there is going to be a turnaround that US dollar buyers can fight back, it'll be off this support area and looking back up at resistance at 138.43. We've got support resistance levels to work with. In some cases, US dollar attempting to fight back after Friday's big sell-off, but so far overall still looking like US dollar weakness, and we have resistance support levels to work with. I will keep you updated through the US session. Good trading.